Hi and welcome to day 24 of Figuary. The idea is that you watch the daily guidance video here at Love Life Drawing and then go to the Croquis Cafe channel and do their daily practice session. So today we're going to talk about warming up before you start drawing the figures. And anytime that I warm up first, my practice session goes better. But it's kind of like eating salad. Like I know I should do it more and I always feel better. And for some reason, I'm always tempted to skip it. But if you can do a warm-up, it's well worth it. A lot of analysis is going on when you're drawing a figure, but gesture also requires feel and instinct. And a warm-up can help you get into that mindset to shift away from analysis and control to a looser, more go-with-the-flow attitude. So here's some steps for a quick warm-up before today's practice session. And you can do it now or you can do it later. The first part is for your mind. It's about taking a moment to remember what the practice is for. It's not about the great drawings, it's about the learning. The learning can be confusing. Learning involves things not working, and learning involves moments where you feel like you don't know what you're doing. So you can expect all of that as part of a good practice session, and I experience all those things during all my practice sessions too. The second part is just to get your arm moving and your eye seeing and get them connected. So we already looked at that exercise where you draw 2 points and you draw various curves cutting through them. I also like to draw a line and a curve next to each other and then just try and hatch the space that's created between them. And I also sometimes draw just some cubes, maybe with a bit of a twist to them, maybe some spheres and cylinders, just using smooth, simple lines. And they don't have to be great and they don't have to be perfect. It's just a warm-up, there's no pressure. And it can also be fun to do some little dynamic figures just from imagination. I like to draw a really sharp angle and then a big sweeping curve. And from there, try to create a dynamic figure. And if that's a bit tricky, don't worry about it. Just remember that the warm-up is relaxed and not frustrating. There's no pressure on the outcome of the warm-up except that you feel good and ready to draw. So today during the practice session, maybe while Larry's introducing the video, start to get your mind in the right place, start to get your arm moving, and then you'll be all limber and ready to go when those 60-second poses start. I hope you enjoy it and I'll see you here tomorrow.